that pops off.
Mm-hmm.
This would normally pop out, right? And
Yep.
this little cable right here.
Yep.
You pull that out, that lever pops up.
Yep.
And then you go into neutral.
You go into neutral. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is a solid piece of like metal here. Like you're not bending that, you're not breaking into that. Not today. Not today. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. More steps. More steps to protect your cat. Mm-hmm. So I'm assuming Charger, Challenger, yep. A little difference, subtle difference. All right, so I'm just gonna have you explain what are we looking at
So,
and what is it supposed to do?
So this is basically the kit, how it will come. You get 2 screws, you get the security bit.
Mm-hmm.
So if you notice, you got a little security piece on there, so you can't just take it off with any screw.
Right.
And this goes over that neutral release strap. We'll show you that. So this is the Challenger one. So it just kind of hops over there, and then these get replace the factory bolts.
Not today.
Yeah, and then if you pop it off, that's what you're gonna see.
Mm-hmm. You imagine that breaking into somebody's car and thinking that you're gonna get away with it, and you see that? Not today.
I want to do.
You should have
something
put "not today, asshole."
I was gonna put like a middle finger or something.
Yeah, exactly.
No, my luck, it would be like.
Yeah.
I'll get the one person who gets offended by it. So figure to keep it PG on this one.
I like that. So the Charger and Challenger, there is a difference there, so you have to get one specific to that particular model. Okay. So how are people stealing the cars using this method, I guess?
They will smash a window.
Yeah.
They pull that neutral release, and then they will literally just push the car away. Whether it's with a couple of people or they have another vehicle that they literally just put up behind it and just, rear end it until they can get away. And
Gotcha. I've seen that. I've actually seen that. Gotcha. And this stops them because it literally blocks them from accessing the neutral release.
Correct. So it's just a cover that goes over it, and as you can see, it's pretty thick steel.
Yeah.
So it's not.
You're not breaking that. You can't bend that. Yeah.
You're gonna need some tools if you're gonna use it. Try to get around it.
I like it. All right, let's do it. I'm excited. One more way to ensure that my Charger stays where it's supposed to be, I'll do it. And as you can see, he's already got that opened up. See? And it's this little red cable, right?
Orange, red, yeah, something like that.
Yeah. You just pull that and then that releases it. Yep. You guys have been telling me to do that.
I grab a tool real quick and just pop it off.
Yeah.
Do like a before and after. So, how does that go back on? So that pops off. This would normally pop out, right? And this little cable right here.
Yep.
You pull that out, that lever pops up.
Yep.
And then you go into neutral.
You go into neutral. That's fucking crazy.
Yeah. So it's made like if you have a catastrophic failure.
Sure.
You can still have the vehicle towed easily.
Yeah.
Obviously, if you do need the vehicle towed, they can't get into neutral.
Yeah.
It's going to be a little bit more of a
hassle.
bill.
Yeah.
But better than getting your car stolen.
Absolutely. I'd rather pay a little bit more to get it towed than to come out and see that it's stolen. And then that metal bit just goes over that and literally covers it.
Yep.
There you go. I like it. Oh yeah, this is a solid piece of like metal here. Like you're not bending that, you're not breaking into that. Not today. The Igloo way. That's dope. This is the Charger, specifically says so. This is the Challenger. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not today. Tuck that shit away. It looks good to me. Right. How long we been doing this? What, 10, 15 minutes? In and out job.
Something like that, yeah. radar here.
I'm probably gonna have to have that radar hardwired after I get through with all this bullshit with Dodge, because I'm getting tired of that cable.
It's annoying once you get used to it being cleaned up there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. We may have to.
That's perfect.
Yeah. It's
Just like that?
A little off center, but that's just the lasering.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Not today. I can see somebody now breaking into my shit. Oh, I got his shit. Nope.
Let's
Negative.
not put that out there.
Yeah. Let's hope not. Easy.
There you go.
That's it?
That's it. Oh, actually, no, that's not it.
See, there's always one extra screw. One extra screw.
Oops. It's the camera.
Perfect. What are these things called again? I keep forgetting.
Neutral release lockout blocking plates and the lockout.
Neutral release blocking plates. Perfect. Talk to Tunes Car Stereo, man. There's always that one screw, and it's like, hold on, where did this come from?
As long as it gets caught.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't need any more electrical issues with this car than I already have, man. Please help me out. Everything works. Just like that. Look at that. You can't even tell it's in there. Oh, I got to think about carbon monoxide. I'm not trying to get poisoned. Yeah, everything works.
Man, I think your mask scared the shit out of you, man.
What?
The mask?
Yeah, I've had that happen too. I come to my car like, who the fuck is in my car? Oh, no. That's why I do it. That's another deterrent, another security deterrent.
There we go. We good, man.
Damn. What was that, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
If that?
With some editing.
Yeah. Of course, the video would be down to like 5 or 6, but yeah. So, talk to Andrew, Tunes Car Stereo, to get your neutral
release blocking plate.
Neutral release blocking plate.
I think that's what we're gonna go with.
That's what we're gonna call it for both your Challenger and your Charger. And you said the only drawback is in the event that it needs to be towed, you're gonna have to pay what, more for a towing fee to have it put on a flatbed as opposed to.
Well, it's probably gonna go on a flatbed anyway.
Regardless.
They'll probably have to stake the rear tires on this one.
Yeah.
So that you're not just dragging them.
Mm-hmm. Gotcha. Because aside from me breaking into it the way you did, there's really no way to get that out of there.
Yep, you'll need the security bit to get those off.
Gotcha. All right. So once more, another piece of security for the car. I suggest you guys check into it. Anything to keep your car where it's supposed to be, I say do it. Tunes Car Stereo. Check him out. He'll take care of you. See you guys in the next one.